A simple background allows your product to become the hero of the entire design. Open Canva and create a new poster using the size that fits your campaign. Select a plain white, gray, beige, or soft neutral background to establish a clean and modern appearance. Go to the Elements panel and add only a few basic shapes to gently organize the layout without adding unnecessary distractions. Upload your product image and place it prominently so it immediately becomes the focal point. Add a bold headline, concise product details, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern typography. Limit your color palette to 2 or 3 brand colors and